In this particular problem, a toy car of mass 5 kg starts from rest and moves up a ramp under influence of a force and where F is applied direct in the direction of the velocity. Now there is a graph plotted between F and X. The maximum height attained by the toy car has to be found. So the graph between force and displacement is given F into X as a straight line having negative slope with force at 100 Newton to displacement at 11 meter. And toy car moves up along the incline, up to a maximum height y max, and that this height has to be found. Now because of this force, work done is the area under curve. W is equal to half into 100 into 11, that is equal to 50 into 11 joule, and because of it, toy car of mass 5 kg is moved up along the incline by y max, that is equal to mg into y max. Mass is given to be 5 into 10 into y max. So solving this equation, we get y maximum to be equal to 11 meter. So the toy car can reach up to a height of 11 meter, and correct option is C.